Are you tired of guessing your competitors' traffic? Learn how to uncover their exact visits, top pages, and traffic sources in under 3 minutes. We'll use SEMrush's traffic analytics tool. First, enter a domain. Then, review the dashboard, add competitors, and compare side by side. Start by heading to the Traffic Analytics tool in SEMrush, where you can reveal any company's website traffic. Type in the domain you want to analyze. Click on the Check button. Once the results load, review this part of the report. Enter another domain you'd like to compare. Click on Add Competitors. Click on Analyze to see the full comparison. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.